Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to another video on the channel. This entire video is actually originally two videos, but both of them were so short that I decided to put them together. Enjoy the video. Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to another video on the channel. Today we're going to be checking out this microphone. As you can see, it's tracking the object now, which is pretty cool. Let's go check it out. Hey, stop tracking. So this is the microphone. The packaging is clearly damaged, whatever. Off the bat, this looks pretty nice. I like how they put this in different sections. Here we have the receiver, there's a microphone, and here we have another one. Okay, it feels like pretty cheap quality here, to be honest with you. Here we have a user manual in Chinese, I think. That's probably Chinese. Oh yeah, made in China. So Chinese. And here we have it in English. Then we have what looks like just a package for the cable. You didn't really need to put this in a box, but alright, well, let's go see how this sounds. Alright you guys, let me know how this sounds. I don't know how it sounds of course, but the product, like the feel, it's not amazing. It feels, well, just as cheap as the foam in the box. Right now, yeah, I'm using the wireless microphone. Let me know how this sounds. I'll just put the rating right over here for what I feel like it sounds like when I'm editing the video, of course. Today we're going to be checking out these two hard drives. Now, checking out is more like I'm just going to give you guys some information, and both of these have 2 terabytes of storage. One of which I'm pretty sure this one is B, this one is A. This one is for when I have a Mac Studio. I'm gonna be putting all my Apple stuff on this hard drive from my old laptop to this hard drive, and then from this hard drive to my Mac Studio, and for editing stuff on my Mac Studio, of course. This one is for recording on my Xbox, which is down here. That's why I'm pointing over there. The external hard drive gives me the ability to connect it to my Xbox and record up to 1 hour from the Xbox, go to the hard drive. Without the hard drive, I can only record up to like 2 minutes and then 4K resolution and then like 60 FPS. With the external hard drive, I can record up to 1 hour. Now that's going to be making the quality of my videos when it comes to gaming a lot better. However, there's a problem with this. I cannot record my voice while playing a game. Like, it records the game and the sound of the game as well, like perfectly. It just does not record the sound of my voice when I'm talking. And also, there's no good recording system on the Xbox. And also, there's no webcam ability. So there's another option, which is Twitch, but I cannot private stream on Twitch, if that makes any sense. Like, if I wanted to stream without people being able to watch me, like have like a setting that says private stream, and then only those who have a link or some code or something to watch that stream will be able to watch the stream. Now personally, I want to be able to have that feature in Twitch, but on Xbox it does not exist. When it comes to PC and phone, I don't know if that feature exists or not, but on Xbox it does not exist. So yeah, that's pretty much that. I do not have a good solution to recording my gaming with my voice and webcam. There is a way for me to record, but it's going to need my phone to record my voice, and it's just a little bit of a hectic way of recording, because like I would screen record in my Xbox, so it records the game and the sound of the game, and then I would need my voice recorded by my phone. And I would need to take the voice footage from my phone and the recording from the hard drive to my laptop and then edit there. I could do that, but it's a bit of an annoying type of system right there. The other way I could do it is use my laptop, have my microphone connected to that and a webcam, and have those like near my Xbox gaming setup, which is my bed, my TV, and my Xbox. So I would need to have my microphone be over here, and my webcam also, or on my TV, and then I could record in that kind of way. But it wouldn't be a good solution. It would kind of suck. So all solutions here kind of suck. Maybe you guys know a certain way for me to be able to record this properly, so that I have both the game, the sound of the game, my voice, and my webcam recording me all at once, not in one footage thing. I prefer to have my webcam be a separate footage from the video, from the gaming footage, so that I can move the webcam from here to like here or there, instead of having it in one area without being able to edit it or anything like that. Yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I don't have anything else to record. Let me know if you have any of those ideas, and let me know what you didn't like or what you didn't like about this video. Did I just say... Let me know what you liked and what you didn't like about this video, and also leave a like and subscribe, please. No, I'm joking. Do what you want to do. Just no hate comments, please. Thank you. Alright, see you guys next time. Alright, I'm gonna do it now. I don't know why I was doing that.